Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you some embellishments that I made using a combination of Paige Evans Garden Shop and also Rosie Studio Frolic. I think these go very well together, and I think because you know embellishments from American Crafts, Crate Paper, and things like that, they cost quite a bit of money. I sometimes love to, well, not sometimes, maybe almost always sub it with something from Rosie Studio because the colors match and they are equally cute. So, yes, I have a few. So, first ones are these cupcakes. They are so very cute and I love them. This is made using this dye from CottageCutz. It's called Ice Cream Sundae. First time I saw this and I'm like, oh my god, it's so cute. It has strawberries on it. Never did I thought to create an embellishment using pattern papers because you see all the most of the samples, they use solid cardstock or they colored it in. And when I tried it using colored papers, the pattern papers, they turn out absolutely cute and I love it. So these are the three that I made. This one, so the three of them are pretty similar. So one of them is this one. So what I did was I just paper piece everything and it is totally easy to do. It's very easy to die cut as well. And then what I did was I just put this sentiment, which I printed myself. And I used the font from Miss Tina. It is such a cute font, very affordable. And then this little flower here, I die cut from, I think it's memory box die that I've had for like a decade. It's small, it's really dainty, it's really cute. This is the second one. It's the same kind of concept. Oh yeah, I also put like this thread here that like I turned it into like a circle, and this is "You Are Lovely." And I put a Jimmy on top of the flower there as well. And the last one of the cupcakes is this one. Flowers bring smiles. I think they look really cute. They kind of look like one of those, country style patchwork kind of patterns, and I love it so much. Moving on, I have these three sundaes or ice cream on this like milkshake glasses. This is also from CottageCutz. This is from the Fountain Sundae die. I really love it. Again, it's one of the things that I never thought that I would um, be making using pattern papers. Same concept. I die cut it using pattern papers and then put like a sentiment in the center. So this is the first one. I have the straw here in green and I put the same sort of like pink metallic thread there. And this one says wildflowers. And then next one is this one, love blooms. And the last one is you're lovely. I absolutely love this font. And I actually love making like my own label strips because it's very affordable. I can customize it however I like. Okay, next up, still some of the things that I made using CottageCutz die cuts. Um, I actually didn't mean to use this iridescent mirror card here. I actually wanted to use rose gold, but I don't have any rose gold mirror card. But when I saw this blue and I thought like, oh yeah, actually it works. I kind of implemented this holographic cardstock, mirror cardstock to a lot of the embellishments that you will see today. So this one is also using another die cut from CottageCutz. I'm telling you, every time there's a CottageCutz sale, I would be first in line to buy their die cuts. They are so adorable, but I always have like a hard time to use it because all the samples are using solids. And so I try to brave myself and I'm like, use what you got, lose it use it or lose it kind of situation. So I made these, and these are so cute. These are so tiny and would be really lovely to, be put on like bag toppers or things like that for embellishments. So the first one is this one. As you can see, this is quite small. I don't know. Let me see how small it is. So it's probably end to end is almost 2 inches, and the height is about 1 and a quarter. Yeah, about 1 and a quarter inch. Actually, I think they stated here, so that's 2 by 1.5. But I think probably that's the die itself. But when I assembled it, that's how big I think. And so yes, it has flower here. This is the same flower die with the previous one, the little dainty flower. Then I put Jemmy there as well, and also the sentiment and the pink metallic thread. This is the second one. Love blooms here. And this is the third one. Flowers bring smiles. Okay, up next, still the same thing as well. I'm going to bring all six together because this is using one set of one set of dies from CottageCutz as well. This is stitch jars. I've had this for, oh my god, probably 4 or 5 years now. Never used it before. And when I use it this way, oh my god, I am totally loving it. So with these ones, what I did was I use their Rosie Studio's chipboard. So they have like a round chipboard. Sometimes I feel like, what am I to do with those round chipboards? So this was just perfect. So this is the first one. I used the chipboard and also this bee puffy sticker. And I also used the iridescent mirror cardstock there. Second one is still the same. I absolutely love it. It's very simple but very dainty. It's very spring like. I think this garden shop collection can be used either for fall or spring actually, because the colors are, yeah, when you use sort of rose gold, it can be fall, but if you use like I did, silver or iridescent like cardstock here, it can be for spring. And I have this ladybug here. And then this one, love this day with this really cute caterpillar. And then these are the larger jars. So it comes with, I think, these two sort of jars, and then you have all the accessories that come with it. And so it's really nice to mix and match. So this is the bigger one. It's probably like a jam jar, right? And I put this flower. I think this flower die is from my stash. And then this is the second one, just very simple, just with a button there, a peachy colored button. And then the last one is this one with a green flower and a pink button. I backed it up with cardstock as well. So on top of the pattern paper, all the pattern papers that you see here are all printed. So they are all from the digital collection. Moving along, I have these hard strip embellishments that were inspired by Love Brie, I think her name is, on YouTube. And she has made these a couple of years ago, and I've always wanted to make something like this. And so, yeah, I had so much fun with the patterns and the embellishing. I really love it. So I'm going to go through this one by one. First one is this one. I use a combination of Garden Shop and Rosie Studio's Frolic. But mostly this one is from, I think, Garden Shop. I use the flower or the floral embellishments, and I die cut this butterfly. This is from Spellbinders, and these are from the sticker packs. And then, yeah, I just alternate the hearts here. I die cut it for my stash, and then I use this sort of pink metallic thread behind there, and then I use this puffy sticker, and then this is the sentiment sticker, better together. I think it looks really, really cute. And then the next one is this one. As you can see, this is the rose gold that I was talking about, and it says thankful, so it's really like a fall collection, but truthfully, it can be either way. It can be spring or autumn or fall. So I have this cute truck sticker. I still put that pink metallic thread, sort of like like everything has the same sort of silver lining to it. And then these are this is from the sticker pack, and these puffy stickers are from Frolic. I have this butterfly to just kind of fill the gaps, and I have this $1 bouquet there. So cute. Okay, so next one is this one. This is using the Flora pack, and I have this sticker, the leaf sticker, the made with love label. I again die cut this really lovely butterfly dies from Spellbinders, and I use like rose gold glitter paper. I think it looks really nice, and then I just layer some more like those plant stickers and then the leaf sticker there with the pink metallic thread there. The last one is this one, which is the pocket that I made using following Pink Strawberries tutorial. It's an embellishment pocket, and I love it so much. I've made probably a few of these, and it's just the perfect size. Actually, it's really perfect for the heart strips. So it goes there, and the recipient can see what's inside. So over the top here, I just die cut these alphabets using stitch alphabet dies that I have in my stash, and I put heart gemmy here, and then I decorated the top here as well with this very famous like this circular banner, and on the bottom I just put a cluster of flowers and flower from Rosie Studio's Frolic, and then this swirly die goes very well with this banner die, and this is from Spellbinders. I love it so much. And then I use a few pink gemmies, and also I have this bee puffy stickers. And for the closure, I use Velcro. Like I said, this is perfect for the heart strip embellishment that I made. So I was planning to just put this in a cellophane bag and then put this here and then give it to the recipient. So there you go, everybody. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed, I would very much appreciate it if you subscribe. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.